Hi everyone, it's Kashma from Pharma Plus, and this is your video fix on patient safety. This is part 2 on incident reporting and monthly reporting. One of the quality payment criteria is to ensure you both record and action patient safety incidents. In the last video, we looked at patient safety alerts and near misses. If you missed that one, you can go back. It's all on the Pharma Plus website. And this video will concentrate on incident reporting and monthly reporting. So first of all, what is an incident? So an incident is anything that happens in the pharmacy that you wouldn't normally expect to happen. So the most obvious thing would probably be a dispensing error, but there's so many more things that we do need to report, such as if a medicine's handed out to the wrong patient, if there's been a safeguarding issue, if a patient's had an interaction with a medication, if a doctor's prescribed something incorrectly or omitted something from the prescription that's led to patient harm. There are so many examples of what an incident is, and we should be recording them and learning from them. So any incident that happens must also be shared nationally, and this is part of your requirements. And in order to do this, we can do this through the MPA website. The MPA acts as the medicine safety officer for independent pharmacies with less than 50 pharmacies. They collate all this data and they pass it on nationally, which meets our recording requirements. It is an excellent system for reporting. It's really easy to use and you can put everything on there to meet all your requirements, including for clinical governance. Okay, so here's what the website looks like, and you just need to go through all the steps, put in all the details, put in your NHS email address at the bottom, and they will email you a copy of the form where you can put in your patient details and the pharmacy details, and then just keep a record of that as well. Okay, so once you've done the alerts, the near misses, and the incident reporting, you need to collate all of that information that you've done over the past month and every month going forward and put it into a monthly report. So what do you need to include in a monthly report? So you need to include any errors or near misses that have happened that have caused harm or had the potential to cause harm. So if it was something really minor, it doesn't need to be included in the monthly report, but it is important that you do include it in your near miss log. So the monthly report needs to include prescribing incidences, near misses, dispensing incidents, and patient safety activity. So you need to collate all these things, analyse them, reflect on them, learn from these, take action to minimise any future risk, and keep evidence and write down any evidence of action that you've taken. The monthly report is very different to the annual report, and we will do a different video on that. So you can download templates of the monthly reports from the website given on the slide, and you can see here there's some examples on the site as well. So if you're not sure of exactly what to fill in, what kind of things you need to put in there, you can download the examples, have a read of them, and it will give you an idea of how much information to put as well. Okay. So here's an example of one that has been filled in. You can see that they do go into a lot of detail. It's really important to include detailed information, so when you do go back on it and you do reflect on what you've done over the past year, you can see and you can learn. So there are your learning points, any actions that you've taken, and it is really good to have a number of actions. How you've shared your learning. Have you shared it with the team? Have you shared it outside the pharmacy? Have you shared it with local GPs, for example? Okay. And what improvements have you made? And what patient safety alerts have happened this month, or if there's been any drug recall activity, you do need to be recording this as well. Okay, and then you need to do your patient safety priorities for the next month. And that's all for now, but it is really important for you to keep up to date with this and do this monthly, otherwise this will pile up and you will be thinking, oh, what did I do in June? What did I do in July when you come to do your quality payments in November? Okay, so if you do require any extra help or support, please contact the Pharma Plus office. All the details are on the screen. If you are not a member of Pharma Plus and would like to find out some more, please also contact us about any benefits of membership or any buying deals or professional support and social networking events that we have. Thank you for listening. Bye.